Ready to go? All right, Rhonda. I'm here with Rhonda. Rhonda, tell us what originally brought you to our office.
My knees were hurting very bad, and I was contemplating knee surgery.
Okay.
And I didn't want to do surgery, and I happened to see your ad in the Senior Perspective. I made a call, and tell you, it's been heaven ever since.
And you've seen other doctors for this before, and my understanding is the only thing that they recommended to you was a knee replacement.
Yes.
Okay. So tell me, what was life like before we did the program?
Before we did the program, it was miserable. I'd come home from work and I'd be in tears almost because my knees hurt so bad, and I would have to put it up with ice and later heat and a lot of biofreeze and that kind of stuff. And I thought, I can't keep going like this. I'm gonna have to start doing something.
Yeah. And one of our big goals with you was getting you back doing the corn maze.
And I can almost do that.
You can almost do that? Well, there's going to be plenty of corn mazes this fall.
Yes, there will be. And I tell you, my daughter told me one time, she says, Mom, she says, and this was just about probably a week after we started, and she says, Mom, she says, you're walking better already. You don't waddle like a duck so much anymore. So that's been.
And you've only been you're not even at the halfway point of the program.
No, not yet.
So we still have a lot of improvements to still gain. Yeah.
And I can go to work and come home and I can carry on like a normal day.
Well, that's why I do what I do. Get you back doing what you love to do.
Yeah. Okay. That's why I'm glad you do what you do.
Well, I look forward to the continued improvements.
So do I. Thank you.
All right. Well, thank you.